Hello, this is Ricky, and in this video today, I'm just going to show you how to, you know, start using Colab. It's one of the easiest ways. If you're going to use Colab, it's best you use it on Google Chrome, but I'm just going to start it on just an habitually browser. So the first thing you need to do to use Colab is to have a Gmail account. So here I'm just going to type and log into one of my Gmail accounts. So make sure that on that browser that you intend to use, your Gmail account is registered or logged in. So I'm going to use my main Gmail account here. This is ricky.macham, which is my name. It's been signed out. I will just sign in. The internet is a bit slow today, but I'm sure we will get somewhere. I'm just entering my password just to make sure that everything is working fine. I wait for my internet to tell me, hey, we're in. And here we are. So, I could just use a new browser or a new tab on my browser, and then just tap in Colab, Google or something. And here I can see research.google.com Collaboratory. I just click on that link, and it's going to open a page for me. And the reason why it's opening for me is because it is linked to my account. So virtually everything I store here will also be found on my account. So this is just, if you're signing in for the first time, like I'm signing in here for the first time on this browser, so I don't have anything. So all I can do now is to say, click on new notebook. And voila. This is just how a notebook looks like, a new one with nothing in it, no codes, nothing. And I'm using this for Python. Some of the first things you do when you start coding is some people say, hello world. Hello world. Then you press your shift, press your enter, and just running. Colab is very easy to use. It has a few advantages. It has a dedicated GPU online that if you need to do something very heavy, Colab is going to help you do that. Except if you have a very strong machine, like I had to go and buy a GPU machine, which is this Lenovo 5 Legion. Or let's say I think it's Lenovo Legion 5. Presently, this is how my machine looks like. So I could use it for all that, but for this example, some of you might not have this kind of machine, and you also want to work on Python. And then apart from the issues of installation, sometimes you install things that don't work. Sometimes I spend weeks trying to install something very simple. When I was teaching my daughter how to code, she chose to say this. She said, how the universe does her own twist to the so-called hello world that we use for most programming lessons. So this is just a simple print statement, and this is just a little intro on how to use Colab. So if you want to play around with Python, Colab is your best bet. And I'm sure that this is something anybody can do. We can just play around. You can say 2 + 5. So equals to thinking, and it's going to print it out. 6. Well, can also say print and 4 plus 6. Okay, there is a problem here. Yeah, I use a capital letter P for that. I should have noticed that the color didn't change. So here we have 10. And there are different things you can do with Python. I use it to code a lot of things. Like this is a chart for something for my trading algorithm that I built. Wait for it, and it's telling me that okay, there's a possibility here that this pair called Australian Swiss franc might go up. It has a potential for a long. So yeah, and it's printing a few things. So I use Python to code all of this. Some other people use it to, code different things for scripting, for building websites. I use it basically for algorithmic trading. And I'm sure if you have something else you want to use Python for, knowing how to use an ID like Colab is going to help you. So I'm going to bring in more videos. And like I said, most of my videos is going to be centered towards algorithmic trading. And I hope you stay tuned to this channel. If you like what I'm doing and what I'm about to start, just click the like button, and even, for notifications, just subscribe to the channel and click the like button so that we can have more to share. Thank you, and ciao.